Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have the keyboard and the right cable. Start by confirming model and power needs so you avoid damage. If your M Audio uses a DC adapter, plug that in first and look for LEDs or a boot screen. If it's USB powered, connect the USB to your computer but keep your DAW closed. Once done, set the keyboard on a stable surface and keep drivers or installers handy. Those are next, and they'll make the computer recognize the device reliably. Now install the specific M Audio driver for your operating system. This ensures low-latency communication and access to all functions. Once the driver's in, plug the keyboard into the computer and watch the device manager or audio settings for recognition. Open your DAW, enable the keyboard as a MIDI input, and route a software instrument to it. Make sure your audio interface buffer is 128 to 256 samples to balance performance and latency. Test key response and adjust MIDI channel if needed. Finish by mapping controls. Use the DAW's MIDI learn to assign knobs and faders so you have hands-on control. Once mapped, save a template so you don't repeat setup each session. Test sustain pedal, pitch and mod wheels and play to confirm velocity curves are comfortable. Adjust in software if not. If something isn't working, check the cable and USB port, reinstall drivers, confirm the keyboard's MIDI channel, and try a different USB hub or computer port as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.